haven't seen them all night, by the way.
I've been running around. But yeah, she came all the way for Origins from San Francisco.
Yeah, I had to make the best out of it.
Super hot in this suit, but luckily we made some fire custom shirts just for today. Yo, let's see it. Look at this, man. The comeback 10-3-20, man. Yo, like watch. And now we're ready. Look at this.
What's up, dog?
Good to see you, man.
Bro, we're back, bro.
Oh,
We back, baby.
so you stayed up all night.
All night. We didn't even sleep.
It's crazy,
It
man.
was just that prep was just out of control.
Bro, I like the new dude for the comeback, bro. I shaved my head. I haven't done that all
I
quarantine.
did my hair.
We almost fucked this up because I was making the design and I put a 2 right there. That would have been bad.
That would have been bad. No, we're back.
Wear your mask.
Tonight, tomorrow, throughout the whole week.
OriginKazoku always go that extra mile.
Extra mile, man.
But this caught feelings bullshit doesn't have anything like that, bro. They're just using pro clubs and shit.
First one here. First one here. Guys, nothing would be possible. Yo, thank you, the traffic crew. God bless you guys.
Bro, you know what? God bless you, Moises.
God bless you,
what?
man. You
Everybody
sexy
loves
ass.
a cute ass, bro.
Sexy
See this
ass.
traffic, bro?
First one
Fuck
back.
This is called directing
For
traffic.
the first one back, look how it is.
It's packed.
Oh yeah, this
Back.
Yo, look at that. Oh my, it's barely 9 o'clock too.
Are we cutting it off?
I think so. Repeat that, yeah, please, please, please.
Hold on.
Oh, let's go, baby.
Okay, so check it. So this is Fusion Ministries. We're helping all the homeless communities in San Bernardino. We're selling these shots for $10 a pop. All the profits that we get are going to the agency for Fusion. We're helping with the homeless getting off the streets. We're helping the homeless get food and water. It means so much. We get to meet with them every day, you guys. So it will help a lot.
What are your thoughts so far from today?
My thoughts for today, for this night, honestly, it's been a hell of a night. I got here like around 7:20 p.m. and honestly, it was already cracking by that time.
All right, what's your favorite car here that showed up today?
I like a white Honda.
Yo, Honda Civic?
It's a Honda Civic with the 800 horsepower.
Oh, I think that's my car. Hey, yes, thank you. Well, guys, as you can see, it's a really great turnout tonight. Over 1,000 people. Tonight's all going for charity and nonprofit here where we help homeless people. As you can see behind me, there's like 1,000+ enthusiasts and supercars, JDM cars, classic cars. Dude, the night is alive here in San Bernardino. Thank you to everybody who's helping out. Thank you to everybody who came out and sprayed the cars out here. And one more thank you for this guy that I just met. What are your thoughts so far?
I just blew my mind seeing all this. It's like the best heartbeat of the year.
And like try to compare it to Tokyo because of all the cars you guys brought out.
Oh yeah.
You guys brought out the Hyper Rally crew. Like,
It's super packed and I think everyone's so excited to have another Origins event.
Chris, what do you have for us, dude?
Look right here.
Oh
800,
my
okay.
gosh.
150 Origins
Who do we-
I made.
Who do we have to thank? Who do we have to thank?
Me.
Forget C-Graps. Follow Love Films right now.
Sorry, Oscar, for helping me watch me do it.
Dude, simping ain't easy, huh?
Hey, cut the vlog.
Oh yeah. Any words for C-Graps?
Huh?
Any words you want to say about C-Graps?
Fuck that shit.
So I got caught by surprise by Daniel. Thank you for bringing me beautiful flowers, man.
You're welcome. Always.
Dude, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Any shout outs?
V-Grab, the next hype rally.
Dude, straight from Vegas. Did you just get back from Vegas?
Yep.
Dang, you came from Vegas to show up some love. That's what's up, dude. How's Vegas?
Always good.
All the way from San Francisco. Good to see you. I know. How you been? How's the drive? Really? Oh, well, I'm glad you're here. Yeah. So are we grabbing breakfast tomorrow? Where are we grabbing breakfast? Cut to the next clip.
Wherever you want to go.
I'm so down.
I'm down for whatever.
Dude.